Crash Course on Statue of Liberty in New York and its cultural significance. The Statue of Liberty, located on Liberty Island in New York Harbor, is one of the most iconic symbols of the United States and a beloved monument of freedom around the world. This colossal neoclassical sculpture, designed by French sculptor Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and engineered by Gustave Eiffel, was gifted to the United States by France in 1886 as a symbol of Franco-American friendship, and as a celebration of the centennial of American independence. Standing at 151 feet tall, with the pedestal and foundation bringing the total height to 305 feet, the Statue of Liberty is an impressive sight. The statue depicts a woman, holding a torch in her right hand and a tablet in her left, on which is inscribed the date of the American Declaration of Independence. The statue is made of copper sheets, and over time has developed the characteristic green patina due to the natural oxidation process of copper. The Statue of Liberty has a rich cultural significance in American history, and is seen as a symbol of freedom, democracy, and opportunity. Many immigrants arriving in the United States in the late 19th and early 20th centuries saw the statue as a welcoming symbol of their new home, and it is estimated that over 12 million immigrants passed by the statue on their way to Ellis Island, where they would undergo processing before entering the country. In addition to being a popular tourist attraction, the Statue of Liberty has been the subject of many artistic and cultural interpretations. Here are a few interesting examples. The famous poem The New Colossus by Emma Lazarus was written in 1883 as part of a fundraising effort for the statue's pedestal. The poem includes the iconic line, "Give me your tired, your poor, your huddled masses yearning to breathe free," which has become synonymous with the ideals of American immigration and the Statue of Liberty. The statue has been featured in many films and television shows, including the opening credits of the classic 1980 sitcom Family Ties and the climactic finale of the 1968 science fiction film Planet of the Apes. In 1979, performance artist Laurie Anderson created a unique tribute to the statue with her piece United States, Parts 1 through 4. The piece, which includes spoken word, music, and visual elements, is a meditation on American identity and patriotism, and uses the statue as a powerful symbol of those themes. In 2019, the statue was the subject of controversy when the National Park Service proposed installing security checkpoints on Liberty Island. Some critics argued that the security measures would detract from the statue's message of freedom and welcome, while others argued that they were necessary to protect visitors and prevent potential terrorist attacks. Perhaps the most interesting stories about the Statue of Liberty are those related to its construction and history. Here are a few fascinating facts. The statue was not constructed entirely in France and shipped to the United States, as is sometimes believed. In fact, the statue's copper sheets were manufactured in France, but the statue was assembled on-site in New York Harbor, using an iron framework designed by Gustave Eiffel, who later went on to design the Eiffel Tower in Paris. The statue was not always green; in fact, it was originally a shiny copper color. However, the copper began to oxidize and turn green shortly after the statue was erected. Some people were initially alarmed by the change in color, but it eventually became one of the statue's defining characteristics. The statue was not always a symbol of universal freedom and democracy. In the early 20th century, the statue was often used as a symbol of American imperialism and was even used in advertising campaigns for companies like Coca-Cola and Kodak. The Statue of Liberty was nearly a lighthouse. Before the statue was gifted to the United States, there was a proposal to turn it into a lighthouse. This would have involved placing a giant light inside the statue's torch, which would have been visible for up to 24 miles. However, the idea was ultimately rejected in favor of preserving the statue's artistic and symbolic value. The statue has been struck by lightning numerous times. The torch of the statue was originally designed to emit a bright light, which would have made it a natural target for lightning strikes. Since its installation, the statue has been struck by lightning multiple times, but thanks to its sturdy construction, has suffered little damage as a result. The statue was closed for a brief period after the September 11 attacks. In the aftermath of the terrorist attacks on September 11, 2001, the statue was temporarily closed to visitors while security measures were put in place. The statue reopened in August 2004, but visitors are no longer allowed to climb to the top of the torch due to safety concerns. The statue has a replica in Paris. Although the Statue of Liberty was gifted to the United States by France, there is also a smaller replica of the statue in Paris. The replica, which is 1/4 the size of the original, is located on the Ile aux Cygnes in the Seine River and was given to the city of Paris by the American community in France. The Statue of Liberty remains a beloved symbol of freedom, democracy, and opportunity for people around the world. It continues to inspire artists, writers, and activists to explore themes of immigration, identity, and patriotism, and remains one of the most recognizable and enduring monuments in the world. Whether you are a first-time visitor or a lifelong fan, the Statue of Liberty is a must-see destination that is sure to leave a lasting impression. Here is a poem on the Statue of Liberty, indicating American freedom land. From sea to shining sea. Our Lady stands tall and free. A beacon of hope, a symbol of light. Guiding us towards the future, ever bright. With torch held high and tablet in hand. She welcomes all who come to our land. Give me your tired, your poor, she proclaims. Your huddled masses yearning to breathe free remains. A gift from France, a tribute to our past. The Statue of Liberty will forever last. A reminder of our values, our dreams and our goals. Of a country where everyone can find a home. We may face trials and tribulations, but we are united in our aspirations to protect our freedoms and our way of life, and to overcome any hardship or strife. So let us look to the Lady with pride, and strive to live up to the values she provides. For in her shadow we stand strong and free, a shining example of what America can be. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences America has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to North America, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. A=7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. And Hub Metaverse team.